Hello everyone, my name is Andriy and today I'm going to show you what is virtual Y. Technically it's named gated content. What is virtual Y, how you can use it, and how the proof of concept and minimum viable product, like version number 1 for the OpenY, looks like. So once you install it model, which is like group of models, once you install it gated content with the demo content, you'll have a couple of newly created nodes. You'll have a landing page gated content, which is just an example, which is just a demo how you can use it. And you have 4 video nodes that are actually content that can't be viewed by anonymous user. So let me show you in anonymous window that when you open this node, it shows you access denied. But how you can get into that gated content? In order for you to have this functionality, you should have created landing page. On this landing page, you should have only one component added, like gated content. This component has no any configuration. It's just a component from the list of components that are available in your system once gated content module enabled. When this component added and you save it a page, when you view this page, you'll see sign in flow, which will lead you to the login window of the single sign-on system that you are using on your site and that you are going to use on your site. Once logged in, you'll be redirected to the same page of the site, but with content presented in the view of videos and live streams. You can also see different categories, which are attributes of the respective video nodes. Let me show you that. So when you create a video node, you have some fields for attributes. Like you have level, advanced, beginner, intermediate, you have instructor name, you have category. And also you need to provide equipment that your users will be using for attending this virtual class. You should provide duration. This only category is required because that is needed for the activity finder that you saw on the page. And you need to upload media. In this case, media is Vimeo video, right? There is a support for YouTube video, and we are working towards backporting component for self-hosted video. If you hosted it on your server, that video won't be accessible through our site. What settings do you have by using this model? First of all, there is a gated content settings in OpenY section of admin interface. This is the list of single sign-on providers. We have provider for ActiveNet, we have dummy provider, which is just a boilerplate template that could be used by developers to extend functionality, like to develop own single sign-on provider for own CRM. We have Duxco provider, which is not listed here yet, and this is Personify provider, in my case, for the demo, which has application URL. This is a URL where application will return customer after customer sign it into the CRM system. So this is like road where customer should land on your site after sign it in to the CRM. And a few words about technical implementation. For those that are not technical people, you can finish viewing this video. So technically gated content is a bunch of models. It's a main model, it's a JavaScript application which does the job of sending user to single sign-on system, returning it back, and displaying content from backend, which is not available for anonymous user. And it has a bunch of models like plugins for authentications, custom Daxco single sign-on example, and personify. These can be used for adding additional integrations any moment. This is pluggable system. That's it. That is gated content. It looks pretty simple. It definitely will be evolved to a bigger system, but this is a good start to have your customers viewing content that available, for example, only for the people that have membership. This was a high demand from OpenAI community, and hopefully this initial solution will help community to accomplish goals of having virtual YMCA. Thank you.